Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'd like to welcome you here today. I'm here to do a little unboxing. I'm very behind on all my videos. Sometimes life just gets in the way of giving you extra time to do things that you love to do and you have to do, but there's priorities. So unfortunately, my unboxings just had to wait. And I'm a little bit late in even my monthly quilt, my surprise quilt. So I did receive that in the mail as well, but I haven't done last month, so I want to catch up on that before I do the unboxing for this month. But what I want to share with you is something important, something very, very important. It is being organized and planning. And maybe you're not a fan of that, but maybe you need a little bit of help of being organized. And that's where Stampin' Up! Comes into play. We have this Big Plans planner kit, which I got right here. And it's currently November 4th. So I'm going to open this up. Here it shows you, it's an all-inclusive kit, and you can order this through my online store. I would recommend ordering it ASAP, because I have a feeling the closer it gets toward the end of the year, people start thinking it's a new year, I have to start planning. But let's get a head start on it now. Inside it gives you exactly what is in your kit, coordinating colors, how to assemble it, make it yours. And on the back side here it shows you just different pages in that. So there is also a video which I had posted on my blog, I don't know, maybe a few weeks ago, I believe. So the video is made by Stampin' Up! And it actually shows you how to lay out your planner, which is a great guidance if you're very new to planning, or even if you've done planning before. So this is the all-inclusive kit. There is also something I'd recommend, a little add-on, and this is our Stampin' Up! Memories and More. We have a Big Plans Memory and More card pack too, so we'll take a look at that as well. So let me put that aside. Let me put this aside. It comes in this great box, so you don't have to worry about getting damaged. And when I placed my order, all I ordered were these two items. So everything came to me very nicely. This is also something, and it's a very sturdy box. You can repurpose this. You know, the holidays are coming. So I like to repurpose, or if you're not into that, great for the recycle bin. Oh, this way. So, what was I going to say? I was going to say something. Oh, it makes a great gift. Christmas is coming. The worst thing in the world can happen is you buy someone a gift and the size isn't right, the color isn't right, the style isn't right. I mean, this style will fit for everyone. And here's another little sturdy box, and look, it has an opening here. I'm thinking you might be able to, we can't see that, stand it up and use it for some files or something, cover it with some designer series paper. I mean, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So look at this very beautiful binder. It almost has a padding to it. The size of the binder is, let me see, it looks like 9 by 9. So it's a good size. It has a ring binder. So this is great to move pages around. You're not stuck with this. If you decide how you had it laid out isn't working for you, it's very easy to move it around. So here it comes, all in this cello, wrapping. I don't know. I was a little lost for words there. Can you imagine me lost for words? So look at this. It comes with some beautiful washi tape. And we all like washi tape. Unfortunately, washi tape seems to have a little bit of a backside when it comes to Stampin' Up! I guess you people aren't buying a lot of washi tape through us. So we're very limited as to how much we have to offer. But look, it matches beautifully. And I'm trying to see, are these little butterflies? Little flowers. But let's take a look. Yeah, they're little flowers. They actually match the little flowers right there on your binder. So you have washi tape. Here we have double-sided pockets. How cute are they? You get 2 of those. Here are some sticker sheets. Love every day, make today amazing, smile the best, enjoy, so good, happy day, perfect. And these are nice. See, they have little holes so you can put them in your binder to store. So you have 2 of those. Then we have 2 of these sticker sheets. Different things to do and to remember and goals and all kind of little iconic stickers here. Some flags, some stickers for your page headers. You get 2 sheets of that. And if that's not enough, you get 2 more sheets of those in a totally different color. So that's fun too. I think I'm a little upside down here. Let me take a look. There's a nice piece of chipboard. Remember, don't throw that away. You can repurpose that for an album or something. I'm trying to see how this goes, or my page is just upside down. Well, maybe they go this way. Yeah, because, okay, so here's your tabs. This one says notes, December, November, October. I think I am backwards. Such is my life, right? Let's go back over this way. Oh, okay, I got confused. Here we go. This is a little page divider, so you can slip that in. So when you're on whatever day of the month, you can put that in because this extends up above, so you'll know right where your spot is. And these are upside down. So let's fix those. All right. Just let me take a gander here. Oh, okay, I see. All right, so we have some blank pages right here that you can take little notes on. Then, now this is undated, so you can start this immediately as soon as you get it. And I'm having a feeling that I'm going to want to start this. Even though it's already November 4th, I still can start this. So here's how you're going to lay it out, though. You're going to, okay, these are all Thursday pages. So you want to have Monday on the other side. So this is enough for a whole year. And the great part of this is that there's an add-on kit. So when you go to lay this out, you're going to have your Monday on one side. So you'll lay it out with Monday here. And then when you flip this, so you'll have a double page spread. I hope you can see that it's not too white here. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you'll put it in your book this way. So then when you flip through, you'll do that. Okay? So that'll make sense. I definitely will recommend to you to watch the video. And they will show you exactly how to lay this out. And so those are all those pages. These are your little note pages for the back. And look like as if we didn't get enough stickers, we have 2 more of these foil stickers that you can add to your book any way you choose. They're beautiful. Sorry about the glare, but they are beautiful. Okay, and then here's our little tabs. Oh, mine got a little zhushed. Well, I'm sure it's going to get zhushed anywho, but if you get one and it has a little damage to that, be sure to give Stampin' Up! A call or let me know and I'll contact them for you. So this is going to be all your months. And again, being this is November, I would go ahead and switch mine like this to start with November. So when you open it up, it'll start this way. And that's where those other pages come into play. Where did I see them? These type of pages. So this is where this would go. So you would lay it out like this. And then this would start with your Monday. And then you would go ahead and add one of these. And then you would add enough for the whole month. And then you would go next for December. And then you would do the same thing and continue all the way through depending on, you know, how you want to lay your book out and when you want to start. Now, my recommendation is don't wait till January. Get this started now. Get a head start. The holidays are coming. You're going to want to be organized, and they're all going to fit perfectly in here. I am planning on doing some planner videos. So I'll show you how I'm going to decorate my planner and how that all is going to come about. But I think it's a beautiful book, and I think it's well worth the money. It's really inexpensive when you look at how much planners and things cost these days. You really are getting a lot for your money. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Memories and More Big Plans Memories and More card pack. Now, people look at this and they think scrapbooking, but I'm going to tell you, it's not just scrapbooking. You not only can make some beautiful cards out of this, but this will coordinate with your planner kit. So not only will this be a planner kit, you can add photos in, you can add things that, you know, happen every day, like something special, like a birthday, and you took a photo of someone, and you wanted to, you know, make a little memory book along with your planner. That certainly is something that would be super fun. You want to definitely check out our pages that we have that you can slip these little cards in, and you can add your little journaling and go along with your planner kit. Now, you don't have to keep all of these papers in. You can just take out maybe 6 months and just keep 6 months in here. Keep the rest in the box and bring that, you know, later on. So you don't have to drag this, you know, very heavy book with a whole month of pages in if you don't need. So let's take a look at these. So here we have some 3x4 cards, and these are 4x6 cards. Now these are double-sided, and you get 2 of each, which is great because you can slip these in your book, you can cut them up, you can make cards out of them. Look at this. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. And that's saying by Oscar Wilde. How wonderful is that? So look, we get the double-sided. Here's another. Love what you do and share what you love. And then on the flip side of that, we have some little designs. So that'd be great to put a photo on. It'd be great to do some journaling on. These are 4x6. So look at this. All the things. These are beautiful. Follow your dreams. And here's some beautiful flowers. And they coordinate beautifully. You are one of the most people who make life better just by being in it. Oh, look at how beautiful they are. So let me see how much time. I only have a couple minutes left, but I'll just skip through these quickly. But you can see them online, but there's so much beautiful in person. A good friend knows all your best stories. A best friend has lived them with you. Isn't that beautiful? And here's the back of that one. They also include some of these self-adhesive dies. So these are cute little stickers and things. You make me smile. Your friendship makes life perfect. Hello, friend. Simply the best. You're amazing. Love you. Smile. Be happy. And these little strips. What else do we have? Oh, we have some foil line pages too. Look at how beautiful they are. Now those you only get one. Here's some more adhesive dies. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's pretty. More adhesive stickers, and another one, and then we even have more of these little cards that you can incorporate into your planner. Look, it's the big day, something, Carpe Diem. Let's just take a quick look because we're running out of time. Look at how beautiful they are. And you get 2 of each. You can flip them over. You are my fave. Today is a good day for a good day. And these would be so cute to even put in a little collage in a frame. What a great gift that would be to give someone. Put a few photos in here, a couple of these sayings in here. I mean, I just think that this whole planner book and these little cards, you are stronger than you know. How many people do you know that you can tell them? I need to tell myself that at times because life is just so hectic. I love celebrating you. These are just so perfect. So definitely check it out online. Check out the video that Stampin' Up! Has provided for you to show you how to put your kit together. Some suggestions. You can certainly put it together any way you choose. I am going to be doing some videos on this. So head on over to stampin2creates.stampinup.net to place your order today for your Big Plans Planner Kit. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a super Stampin' Day, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.